KPMG's outlook for 2025 is one that we expect the energy sector and broader decarbonisation agenda to drive significant M&A and transaction and financing activity across a number of areas. Firstly, a trend that we saw in 2024 that we expect to continue in 2025 is private equity investment in indigenous Irish businesses that are involved in the broader parts of decarbonisation, such as decarbonisation of heat, residential housing, heat pumps, retrofitting, and other items such as that. Secondly, the broader part of indigenous Irish companies feeding into the significant capital required to upgrade the grid infrastructure and the build out of projects for large energy users such as data centres and large manufacturing facilities. Ireland has very significant domestic expertise that's been built up over the course of the last 10 years and more, and those indigenous companies are having great success internationally now. As it scales internationally, it requires more capital, and that is attracting significant interest from international funders that are looking to invest in these companies, invest in these expertise and help them to grow. So we expect that to be another spotlight area for the year ahead. And then finally, in terms of the traditional generation assets, people are aware of Ireland's climate action plans, the ambitious objective to achieve 80% renewable electricity by 2030. That requires significant capital to come in to build out the existing pipeline of projects. To do that, we will see some parties that have significant capital requirements sell down assets and other parties look to come in, particularly now that we're looking into an environment in 2025 where we're seeing more capital having been raised in the system, normalised level of interest rates, and a more settled market which will ultimately stimulate what we expect to be a more normal form market for the year ahead.